Okay. So the problem we're having with the Audi is it's misfiring on all 4 cylinders when under load. So anything under like, say like a 30-40% over a 30% 40% load, we'll start aggressively misfiring, pop the engine, check engine light. So on my way to work, I've been having to just drive like a grandma, which I don't love to do. So today we'll pull these. Got some new ignition coils and spark plugs from UroTuning. Got some nice Eldor coils, some R8 Eldor coils, and some 1-step colder pre-spaced. They're spaced to 0.025. These are. The spec is 0.024 plus or minus 0.002. So it's really not too bad. It's black, but nothing cracked. Doesn't look burnt. There's no oil on it. Not too bad. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, these are gapped way better too. Oh my gosh, yeah, these ones are gapped way too wide for this setup. This has an updated K04 turbo and a downpipe and an intercooler. It's a stage 3 tune, so it's a bit peppier than a typical A4, but I imagine that could be why I'm having a little bit of a misfire with these older coils. Shout out to UroTuning for already having these kits ready. Helps out a lot, especially if you upgrade your A4. You definitely want to make sure that your spark is on time. Start it up.
Let's see what it puts out under load.
I was just thinking, where the hell's my phone? It's on this tripod. So, all right, fingers crossed. 'Cause I need a working vehicle to get to work. I thought this thing was about to die on me. No misfiring. That's nice. Very much. I like. Oh man. Thank goodness. I can clear this check engine light. Also, I have this OBD11 thing. I originally hated it because it takes like 10 minutes to update and get all the readings on your car. But once you have it in and it's live updating, it works great. You can clear a lot of codes. I got a airbag and a braking handbrake code and cleared them just fine. Oh my God, no misfiring. Sorry about this tripod issue. Wish I had like a better setup, but. Okay, are we warmed up? Yep, good enough. Oh yeah, much better. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I think with this K04 turbo and this stage 3 tune, I got it from UroTuning, or what's that place called? It's a European car bought over in, I think it's a Mesa, Arizona. I used to live in Arizona, and they did great work. They put the K04 in, they put the intercooler in, downpipe, hooked me up with stage 3 tune, and this car's been running way better. I guess now that I put these upgraded Eldor coils in there and correctly gapped one stage colder spark plugs, it is tip top now. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness, that is so much better. So I think it's pushing around 300 horsepower, probably maybe a little more. So it's not bad for a little 4-cylinder. Oh, well, this was a quick, easy one. Keep building, keep making progress, and thanks for watching Built on Dad Time. Peace out.
Focus on the process, not the praise, not the likes, not the wins, not the race. Don't stress what I can't control. I train my habits, I train my soul.